One of the tools in our Guide to Project Management Implementation in CmPS is the stakeholder list. Stakeholders are people, groups, or organizations that are affected by the project or can impact your project success. Identifying stakeholders as early as possible in the project will engage them to support your project. You can add stakeholders throughout the project as you identify them. This tool is located in our Guide to Project Management Implementation in CmPS and can also be used as part of your submission documentation in parts of your written proposal or report or within your portfolio. You can see here that there are 3 columns for name, role/title, and responsibilities. If you'd like to add additional columns to keep track of stakeholder communications or any notes that you might have, feel free to do so. This is a really great tool so you can remember all of the people you've worked with throughout your project and who needs to be contacted for future project work. I hope that you decide to download the Guide to Project Management Implementation in CmPS, which is free on our MART and made possible through our grant from the Project Management Institute Education Foundation, and consider submitting your project work for our first ever Excellence in Project Management Award. More details coming soon about how to submit your project for that award. Have a great day.